you will be able to access your account immediately. Okay, so option one, you won't be able to get in any YouTube video because I did it for myself. So hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So what we are going to cover in this video, so we are going to cover what is CRA account and who can able to create the account, what are the benefits of account, and how you can create the account. Okay, so the first is CRA. What is CRA account? CRA is a Canada revenue agency which is related to your tax filing and your benefits. Okay, and second is who can create the tax CRA account. So someone who have filed at least once tax in Canada, so they can able to create the account. Okay, and third one is the benefit of CRA account is you can keep track on your refund of the payment. Okay, you can file your taxes and you can view all your tax information. So first thing which I said, you can keep track on your fee refund and the payment. That means when you file a tax in Canada, like in India, when you file a tax in India, you will get a tax return. Okay, but in Canada, apart from the tax return, which is refund, there are a lot of other credits or the benefits that you receive from the government. Okay, like a child benefit, child care benefit, GST, HST benefits that gets credit in your account. So you can keep track on those payments, those credits, like another payments like carbon tax rebate credit. So these are a lot of many more credits that you can keep track on this. So this is the benefit of CRA account and how you can create your CRA account. So I will take you to my computer screen where I'll show you the step-by-step process how you can create your CRA account. Just go to Google, type CRA login. The very first website, it's a canada.ca. Just click on that. So you are creating this account for individual, not for the business. So you just click on my account for individuals. So here, just click CRA user ID and password. Okay, so in this page, you have to enter few details. So let's see what are the details required here. So this is validate your identity. Okay, so the first thing is social insurance number. So what is social insurance number? I believe you, if you're in Canada, if you're working, so definitely there is a social insurance number which is related to your, which is for your tax purpose. Okay, it's a 8-digit number. So you have to enter your social insurance number here and your date of birth. And the third one is tax information. Okay, so enter line number 15,000 from your 2023 income tax benefit return. So the enter dollar only. Okay, so what is this and from where you'll get this detail? Okay, so when you file tax in Canada, so you receive a notice of assessment. In that notice of assessment, in the page number 2, you will find this detail. I'll show you. So this is the notice of assessment. Okay, so this kind of notice of assessment you receive once you file a tax. So this is the page number 1. You need to go to page number 2. So this is page number 2, tax assessment. Okay, here you can see 15,000 line and you can see there is a particular dollar amount. So whatever the dollar amount mentioned here, you have to just copy and paste there. That's all. So the moment you enter the dollar amount which was there in the line number 15,000 in page number 2 of notice of assessment, you need to go and click next. Okay, so I have already created my CRA account, so I cannot create more than one. So definitely, so I have some screenshot which I'm going to show you the further steps. Okay, so the moment you click next, you will land to this page. Okay, so here you can see a CRA security code which you will receive at your address, and by using that security code you can able to log in again and you can create your user ID and password. Okay, so I'll take you the another page. Okay, so now you can create your user ID and password. So actually you have already created the account for CRA, but uh, until you receive your security code, you won't be having access to the details. Okay, so you will not have a fully access to your account. So once you receive your security code number, you can create your user ID and password. So there is a particular checklist for user ID and password. You just go through that, and it's a very smooth and self-explanatory. You have to create a user ID and password here. So once you create a user ID and password, so the very first next page would be for the question and answer page. Okay, I'll take you to that page. Okay, so once you're done with the user ID and password, you will land up to this page where you have to answer some of this. You have to choose security questions and answer those questions. Once you're done with that particular page, so so that was the last step to create your CRA account. So once you're done with that, you will receive a particular email from CRA that you have successfully created your CRA account and you can able to access your account with the security code. Okay, so there is a suggestion. Okay, uh, once you're done with the question and answer, your user ID, your password, your question and answers, please make a note of it. And or you, what you can do, you can copy it in your Word file or your notepad, because most of the time, like you're not going to log in the CRA account every day. Okay, so once in a year or twice in a year you are going to log in your CRA account. So most of the time you won't be able to recall your password or the security question which you need to answer each and every time when you log in. Okay, so better you keep a note of it. Okay, and if you are not able to answer the security questions, so the only solution is you have to call, there is a customer care number, CRA customer care number, which you need to call. And then you have to verify your identity first. Then there is a two option to retrieve the password. Option one is the customer care executive will again verify your identity with your credit card details. Okay, so that's the option one. So once you're done with that, you will be able to access your account immediately. Okay, so option one you won't be able to get in any YouTube video because I did it for myself. So uh, they will verify with your credit card. So wherever you have account TD, CIBC, they will verify the identity and then you can able to access your CRA account. Second option is you can again ask them to generate a security code that you will receive the same process. Like after 10 days you will receive a physical copy where you will get the security code. Again you need to go and generate the question and answer uh, again so it's again the same process you need to follow. So it's all up to you, you want to go with the option one or option two. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you have any queries or questions, just write in the comment. I will try to answer all your questions.